Yo, what's up? Ayan, andito na naman tayo sa ating panibagong vlog at ito may bago tayong client. Ito galing pa si Sir ng galing pang Belgian at ito interviewin po natin siya. Sir, how's your tattoo and where are you from, sir?
I'm from Belgium. I'm glad to be here. I'm very glad that I've put my reminder from Wangat here on my arm.
What's your name first?
Neil.
Neil. How's your tattoo, sir? So ayan, ito na yung unang katanungan natin mula sa ating client na galing pang Belgium. So sir,
No.
Yo, what's up? Andito na naman tayo sa ating panibagong vlog at ito may natatuan po tayong galing pang where you from, sir?
Belgium.
What's your name, sir?
Neil.
So, how's your tattoo? Are you satisfied?
Yeah, I'm very satisfied that I could be with such a young artist who is so talented.
Oh, so very thank you, sir. Sir, what make you choose this design in particular? Doesn't it have personal meaning?
Yeah, yesterday I went to Wangat. I met her. I've gotten her 3 dots. Wow. And I wanted to have a reminder that I've been there.
Is this your first tattoo in the Philippines?
Yes, it is.
Sir, how did you hear about my work?
Through Baskalan in the village of Wangat.
Sir, if ever you come back in the Philippines, will you consider getting another tattoo here?
Yes, of course I would.
Okay. Sir, would you recommend me to another clients?
Of course I would. Talented people, they need to get a chance. You are still young. The youth is the hope on a better world.
Thank you very much for trusting our shop, and thank you very much, and hope you good health and thank you, sir.
Full-time hustler.